1,200 to you, sir. Thank you very much. The handsome gentleman in the middle here, the belt is for you for 1,200. 1,200, $1,200. 30, 1,400. Okay, 1,300. 1,300 to the gentleman in the middle here. Thank you very much. The bid is to you, sir, for 1,300. I'm looking for 1,400. Thank you very much. Have we got 1,500? Have we got 1,500? 1,500. I'm looking for 1,500. The bid is over here for 1,400. I'm looking for 1,500. Have we got 1,500? It's going once for 1,400. I'm looking for 1,500. Let's round it off at 1,500. Let's round it off at 1,500. 1,500. Thank you very much to the gentleman in the middle. The bid is to you, sir, for 1,500. Okay, it's going once in the middle for 1,500. Unless I can see 16. Have we got 1,600? Have we got 1,600? Thank you very much to the gentleman down the middle here. I'm looking for 1,700. Have we got a hand in the air for 1,700? The bid is to the gentleman down the front here for 1,600. I'm looking for 1,700. Have we got 1,700? It's going once for 16. I'm looking for 1,700. Have I got a bid for 1,700? Thank you very much, sir. To the gentleman in the middle here, 1,700. I'm looking for 1,800. Have we got a bid of 18? Have we got 1,800 anywhere in the room, ladies and gentlemen? Have we got 1,800? It's 1,700 in the middle here. I'm looking for 1,800. 1,800 is going once for 17. Have we got 18 anywhere in the room, ladies and gentlemen? It's going twice for 17. Last time, 1,800. Thank you very much, sir. The gentleman in the black, the man in black, down the middle here. 1,800 to you, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got to move on. We've got to move on. 1,900. 1,900, thank you very much. Have we got a cool 2,000? Have we got the 2,000? Have we got the cool 2,000? It's going once for 19. Have we got the cool 2,000? Have we got the cool 2,000? It's going twice for 1,900. Ladies and gentlemen, last chance to get this for 2,000. 2,000? All right, 2,000 sold to the gentleman in the middle here for 2,000. All right, thank you very much. All right, great stuff, ladies and gentlemen. That's some good bidding.